Walt Disney Affiliate Program. Hey there, welcome to this video. If you are a Disney fan or run a website, blog, or social media page and you love promoting amazing Disney products, then this video is for you. Today we are diving into the Walt Disney Affiliate Program and how can start earning while spreading the magic of Disney. So, what exactly is the Walt Disney Affiliate Program? It's a partnership where Disney allows you to promote their official merchandise, services, and experiences. By sharing Disney products on your website, blog, or social media, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Wondering how it all works? It's pretty simple. Sign up for the affiliate program through their partner platform. Once approved, you will get unique affiliate links for the Disney products you want to promote. Promote those products using your website, blog, or social media. When someone clicks your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. Joining the Disney affiliate program is super easy. Just head over to insert partner affiliate network like CJ affiliate and apply. Once approved, you will get access to all the promotional materials, affiliate links, and tracking tools you need to get started. Then search here Walmart Disney. Here you can see that nothing is showing. Scroll down and turn on the all option. Then click apply to program. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tips and tutorials.